Friends, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, we will be taking a review on Seifu. So as you know, Seifu has been out for about a month now, and I wanted to hold on to this review and wait a little bit and see where price takes us. Okay, I didn't want to just hop onto the project and do a review right away, but just wait and see, after a month, how sustainable has the project been. Okay, so this is the website for Seifu, and I really like it. Okay, it's very slim. We have here the highest paying auto staking and auto compounding protocol. Okay, so as you know, there's also Titano, but as of now, Seifu is the highest fixed APY in crypto at 383,000. Okay, so we also have that it's a low risk and Seifu insurance, which is also SIF, and I'll be taking a review on the white paper later on. I'll do another video, separate video talking about its white paper and why I truly do believe in the project. And also we have the interest being paid out each 15 minutes. Okay, so in the 15 minutes, 96 times daily, which is quite astonishing. Okay, and we also have a staking and compounding on your rewards. Okay, so it's they have everything laid out for you, and I really do like the project. We also know who's the founder, which is Brian, and he's been on YouTube talking about some of the things that are happening with the project, and overall it's a very healthy project that I do like, and I just wanted to bring it to you guys' attention if you haven't taken a look at it yet. And we also see articles being written for Seifu and Yahoo Finance and Market Watch and several others that are talking about how good the project is as well. So just about Seifu, it talks about how it's a decentralized financial asset, and it talks about how its reward is sustainable and it's fixed. Okay, so they have that fixed reward of 383,000, and each 15 minutes they have the rewards being compounded, and that's how they get their percentage. Okay, and they also have a Seifu contract where you could take a look at some of the things that are happening and some of the transactions and everything. Okay, and here they also have the if you want to buy the Seifu, you would go on this and connect your wallet and also buy Seifu. Okay, so here we see that each 15 minutes, imagine something you're getting rewarded each 15 minutes. It's really amazing. But also a lot of people might be asking, how much can I earn and everything. And this is something, it's a marketing tactic from Seifu. So at the end of the year, if you invest 1,000, you would have this amount, 3,830,000. Okay, cool, and everything. That's amazing. But we know that we don't know what's gonna happen in crypto next day. So these fixed APYs and everything could change. Okay, but for me, honestly, when taking a look at this project, I wanted to wait a little bit and see if it can continue being sustainable after a month. And in my opinion, it has been doing great. Okay, I'll also do another video on the chart analysis. But overall, Seifu has been doing astonishingly good. Okay, each 15 minutes you're getting rewarded. There's the Seifu insurance fund. There's also a Seifu treasury and the fire pit. Okay, so 2.5% of Seifu is traded and is being burned. Okay, and so there's a lot of things going on, and so you see here the rebase is 0.02355. Okay, so that's the rebase that happens every 15 minutes. So if you do the 15 minutes times how many times it's getting compounded, which is about 91 times, you will get your percentage. Okay, so they also have a community in the Discord. You're able to join there. You're able to take a look at the projects and take a look at just some of the like-minded investors are in there. Okay, but overall, the community is very healthy, and here it says how it works. So for other people that might not be familiar with Seifu and Titano Force as well, there's a 5% of all trading fees, and they're stored in the Seifu insurance fund. Okay, so that's how they're being able to be sustainable and have also a positive rebase in the community and also in the project. Okay, so for Seifu, it says here keep holders safe. Okay, so they're avoiding flash crash through price sustainability and also achieving sustainable future growth throughout Seifu protocol. Okay, and it reduces the downside risk, as you can see here as well. So for the fire pit, as you know, it's 2.5% of Seifu that's traded and it's burnt as well. And also here, so there's okay, so there's a sell that's coming. Okay, so every 48 hours, auto staking liquidity engine will be on each buy and sell. There's a 4% tax. Okay, and there's also our auto LP wallet. Okay, so the amount of Seifu stored will automatically be bought back and also at the current market price. Okay, So just take a look at some of the things here. I also like the tokenomics of the project. We have here a buy of 40%, which is a slippage, and they also have a sell. So each time there's a transaction for a buy and a sell, there's a slippage of 16% and 14%. Okay. Also 4% of order fees being added to the liquidity, Seifu insurance, and the treasury as well. So overall, there's also a chart here in the competitor side from Seifu, Titanium, and Liberal. I mean, yeah, I like that they have the highest APY, but with the highest APY as well comes the highest risk. Okay, so keep in mind that there's their fees, and you know that the sustainable basing, automatic burn. So that's something that they have advantage on from Titano and Liberal, and just some of the things that I do like. Okay, you could take a look at some here. So who is Safeu team? The Safeu team. It's we know the CEO is Brian. You could take a look at him in YouTube. Does great videos. Great CEO in my opinion as well. And here we also see how can you sustain high APY. And so there's a treasury like we talked about, 2.5% to 4.5 that's being taxed. Okay, the APY will be 100% sustainable. That's what they're assuring. And so just keep in mind that in these types of projects, if I'm looking to get into it, it's important to understand the risks, okay? And for me, I would start out very small. Maybe provide $50, $100, something very small, and see if the project is working in your favors. And if it is, then I would recommend just taking your initial investment out as fast as you can, and then compound if you want. And just as you know as well, there has been it's been reviewed by Rugdoc. So everything in this project, in my opinion, is great. Okay, and just take a look at it if you haven't found Seifu yet, and just assert your risks and see if that's something that you want to get into. Alright guys, just a quick update and a video on Seifu. If you like this types of analysis, please like and subscribe, and take care.